Good evening, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Today you guys are gonna watch how I use the Fanola No Orange Shampoo, and you'll see how my hair turned out with that. So turn on my post notifications, subscribe to my channel, and keep watching. Clearly my hair is super brassy, and I just touched on my roots again because I missed some spots. I'm gonna shampoo and condition because my hair is definitely dry as shit right now, and then I'm going to get out of the shower, put this in my hair, and I want to show you guys what it looks like. I've never tried this product before or used it at all. I made a video in one of my vlogs I did, I showed you guys me lightening my hair. After that I bleached it twice, but I did not film that, but I just wanted to see if this shit worked. So clearly this shit looks orange, but I'm gonna test this shit out and let you guys know if it works. So I don't know if you can tell, but it looks already cooler. So I'm gonna leave this in for maybe 5 or 6 minutes because my hair was so orange, and then I'll show you guys after. I feel like an old, you know how old ladies be having them updos, Okay, so I'm always worried about my armpits on this channel. Every time I look at my arms, I'm you gonna shave or what? Alright, so today's the next day, the day after the first time I used the Fanola No Orange Shampoo. I tried to film an update video yesterday, but I was sitting outside, and outside the lighting wasn't really as good as I hoped. So I just wanted to show you guys. So my hair was already, it is unevenly bleached because I'm no hairstylist. I guess it does piss me off, but what am I gonna do? Nothing. I'm not paying them to get my hair done. I'm poor. So this is, you can see sort of, I'm gonna try to look this way, it goes dark and then light and then dark, I don't know, it's a little, there are layers that are lighter than others in here. And it said that it didn't stain your scalp. My scalp is still stained this. It's dark here, but it should be this color, or I don't know, it's not as dark as it looks right here. It's still, you can even see on my scalp, it's still a little blue. I didn't shampoo my hair afterwards, but I did condition it. I conditioned it, and then I put some leave-in conditioner in afterwards because shampoo will be leaving my hair dry as shit. My curls aren't that curly today. They're kind of frizzed up. I don't mind, whatever, but it is a little dry today, but I don't think that's the Fanola. I think it's just my hair and the products that I use. I didn't put that much conditioner in. I was honestly afraid to condition it after I put the color in because I didn't want it to sort of take it out. But my hair is definitely more of a cool tone. In this, I'm looking in the mirror and it looks way cooler in the mirror, and when I look on my camera, on my phone, it does still look orangey. It is a little bit orange. Again, I only used that product one time. I'm going to use it the next time I shampoo my hair, and I think I might put it in, I think my hair was super soaked. You guys saw I got right out of the shower and I just put that shit in my soaking wet hair. So I think next time I just want to make sure it's just a little damp so it's not too, so it still latches onto the hair. But guys, this product, I was afraid to use toners because I did a bunch of research and a bunch of I watched people use the Wella toners and the Ion cream toners, and I actually have that one. I have the Ion Lavender Moon cream toner, and I was honestly, because my hair is like uneven, like it's like lighter in some spots and darker in others, I was really afraid that, because I watched a bunch of reviews on YouTube, of course, before you buy anything. Come on, that's why I'm making this video for you guys today. But I was honestly afraid, like, people toned their hair and like their front pieces were like blue, and then like the rest was just like white. So I really didn't want to. I'm also leaving for Vegas on Sunday. Today is Friday. I didn't pack it all yet, but I did not want to be gone with fucked up hair. So I just got that Fanola No Orange Shampoo. And honestly, like, for using it one time, it really did cool down my hair. Like, I know, to you guys, it might look still orangey, and it is, but my hair was not that light. Like, if my whole hair was this color, this is what it did to this piece of hair. This piece of hair was very yellowy. It is still a little bit orangey or yellowy, but overall, I'm really happy with the results. And if I go lighter, which I want to in maybe a couple months, once I'm sick of this like strawberry blondish type color, I'm definitely gonna go back to this product. But I really, really, really recommend this No Orange Shampoo. Like, I don't know, like I don't know if you guys can tell or not. I will insert some, because it does look orangey on camera, but if you guys saw what it looked like in this lighting, if I filmed in this lighting before I did it, then you guys will be able to see the difference. I'm gonna insert some pictures down below. I'm gonna insert some pictures on the screen for you guys. And yeah, that's basically the end of this video. Before I end this video, I also want to say, like, comment, subscribe, turn on my post notifications, and I will see you in the next video. Maybe I'll film a video for you guys after I use the product again on my hair to see if it makes a little more of a difference. But yeah, that's all. Check out my website, follow me down below, and see you guys next time. Bye.